Think you're standing tall and confident? Well, you might be unknowingly hurting your back every single day. You're not alone. Most people are walking around with terrible posture. It's ruining their health without them even realizing it. Is that the ideal posture you've been taught? A straight back with shoulders pulled back? Well, that's part of the puzzle, but here's the kicker. Too much of either can actually do more harm than good. Let's fix that. First, let's talk about the biggest mistake, slouching. When you slouch, your body's natural curves are thrown off balance, and it puts unnecessary pressure on your spine. You feel tightness in your shoulders, maybe even some pain in your lower back. It's like having a cracked foundation in a building. Everything starts to collapse. And here's what most people get wrong: pulling their shoulders back way too much. They're forcing an overly stiff posture that's actually just as bad. It's like standing like a robot. Your upper back gets tight, your breathing feels shallow, and it leads to neck pain. So, what's the secret to a strong, pain-free posture? Start by aligning your ears, shoulders, and hips in one straight line. Imagine you're being gently pulled up from the top of your head. Your chest should open naturally, but don't overdo. Think of it like a skyscraper. Your spine is the foundation, and the rest of your body should be stacked on top. Now, engage your core muscles as if you're about to be hit in the stomach. This will keep you stable and prevent you from overextending. Here's an advanced tip. Imagine your pelvis as a bowl of water. If it's tipped forward, you're overarching your back. If it's tilted too far back, you're locking up your hips. Keep it neutral, like you're gently balancing that bowl. Perfect posture is that sweet spot, neither too stiff nor too floppy. Now, take a look. This is what good posture should feel like. Light, natural, and pain-free. Keep practicing and trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now get out there and stand tall. You've got this. Like and subscribe for more posture tips. And share this with someone who needs a posture fix today.